Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view on this device. Firstly, open any apps, for example Gallery and YouTube. Then click at the left button and tap on the icon of an app. Select Open in split screen view. After that, click the other app. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!